Hello everybody, welcome to the introduction of GED mathematics. And as you may know, GED is very important now. I don't want to introduce how important it is. And this class originally is for one of my family members to prepare the GED mathematics. So I post here. If you think it's helpful, feel free to learn something from it. And GED mathematics is one of the subjects between 4 of the GED classes. And as you may know, GED mathematics probably is one of the hard one for most of people because all of the numbers, all of the calculations seems like complicated and headache. And here, let's do some short introduction of it. GED mathematics include 4 topics, and here 4 topics in mathematics exams. They are basic mathematics, geometry, and basic algebra, and graphs and functions. So we will go over these topics one by one in the future. And also it has 2 parts. This exam was separate into 2 parts. The first part, you are not allowed to use calculator, and it is more basic, so you don't need a calculator, to be honest. And then the second part, you get more questions, and then you get a calculator on your monitor. And then we have the question types. We have several question types. Here, the question type is like multiple choice, like A, B, C, D in here. Then probably 2 of them are correct, 3 of them or all of them. So this could be tricky to do because we need to know every options here. If we don't know any of them, we miss some of them, then we are done with that problem. So this could be tricky, but we need to go over it one by one in the future and drag and drop, fill in the blank, and select an area and drop down. So all of this one does not require lots of the handwriting for yourself, not many handwriting. So you basically just, they give you some answer, you either select them, pick them, or you match, do some matching. So in this way, like it have a lower requirement for your typing and handwriting and something like that. Also, the score scale GED mathematics is from 100 to 200, and the passing score is 145, which is our goal, that we need to get 145 at least to pass the exam. Of course, in our practice, we would like to get more than this, because if every time we practice we only get this one, and in the real exam you may get stressed out, you may miss some problem, some questions, then you eventually just failed. So most of the time we would try to achieve more than this in our daily practice, and which is about 45% of the questions you need to get it right. About 45%. Actually, this is not very high requirement as long as we follow our practice every day to do some to do enough practice and have the knowledge about every topics, and get to know how to use the formula sheet and the calculator, and after that we should be fine.